Hello, let's make India the next robotic capital of the world. By speaking, nothing will happen. We have to really work hard. We have to put all our efforts together to make India the next robotic capital of the world. For this, academics, government, industries, and developers need to come together. So all together we have to create an ecosystem and we have to work together to make India the next robotic capital of the world. I appreciate that government of India has come up with a robotics plan, a strategic plan on for robotics, equally for artificial intelligence, and there are various policies are on pipeline. Robotic policies of India are coming, and couple of states like Telangana, they have already come up with a policy called as robotic policy for Telangana. Why these policies is important? These policies are important to promote the industry, robotic industries, to they work as a catalyst to improve the research, and the focus of government is becoming robotics. Last 5-6 years we heard a lot about drone. The prime minister is to speak at every place about drone. Today the drone Didi is there in the market, and last couple of years we have been listening a lot about semiconductors, and India is also rising. A lot of companies have started getting into semiconductor industry. Our IITs and many premium institutions are developing their own chip. You can talk about incredible work at IIT Madras, IIT Patna. Similarly, if you talk about AI, then NLP, then fantastic works are happening in the country, and government of India also coming forward. So I want to tell you right now, it's a high time for all of us. Let us understand what exactly government is trying to speak. Government is saying that there is a huge scope, and I was actually writing an email to all the member of parliament, to all government authorities since 2014 and 15. Let's make let's work together to make India the next robot. And I'm happy today everybody is speaking about it, and there is some action points are there in the country. And today I see it's a high time for the last mile, for the academics and for the researchers to get into robotics. So now there is a lot of research fundings are there. For a startup, there is a lot of fundings are available, be it a government, be it a private fundings are available. There is not many robotic companies in India, but I can see there are few robotic companies are there in India. Those are also started in the last 7-8 years, and you can talk about companies like Grey Orange, those who have created global footprint, and they are into logistics. Similarly, you can see there is a silently one company is getting becoming big in India called as Grid Boss, and you can talk about there is a large player called as High Tech Robotics, and there are very other robotic companies in India. They have started supplying robotic equipments to or robots to the Indian defense, and they have started sending the robots to different sectors, be it space, be it underwater applications. But I am telling, still this is just the beginning. This is too small. Huge opportunity as an industry, huge need of robotic manpowers, robotic skilled manpowers. So I'll tell you, my academic institutions, my principals, my directors, my promoters of academic institutions, right now, please focus on robotics. Robotics is something which will empower your institutions in a big way. How? Robot is a multidisciplinary subject. It will build a fantastic ecosystem by collaborating your electrical, mechanical, computer science, and electronics and IT and computing department together. So once we talk about robotics, all department, no mechanical department can take the ownership. This is a special purpose vehicle, and all the departments have their own roles and responsibility, and all the professors can play there. And your laboratories can collaborate and develop one part. So if you go to mechanical lab, then you can go to the lathe, you can start developing part, you can use rapid fabrications by using 3D printing technology, various rapid prototyping technology we can use. From there we can come to the electrical place, where we can talk about different types of motor, then power control, then we go to electronics, then we go to microcontrol, then we go to programming and coding. So these are all involved. So this is a department which will give you a 360-degree development of your students, and the students, those will go into the robotic program, professional, I'm telling, professional robotic program, and who will be skilled with robotic skills. For example, they have to work with NVIDIA Jetson Nano, Intel Joule, different types of high-end GPU and development boards on board for the robot development, as well as they have to work with industry grade sensors, and they has to work with coding with a Linux environment or Windows environment. They have to go into ROS, they have to learn Python or C++, and they have to develop everything on the ROS. Robot operating system is the software through which we can develop professional robots, and this is open source. I'm telling, the entire world is backed by only one software, and the entire world is backing to one software, that is called robot operating system. This is a open source software, and by using this ROS we can build fantastic and world class robot, because this is something common for US, for Japan, for India, for China, across the globe. Everybody using this is the tool, this is the software to develop, and that is open source. So India also can access, and we all also can access. And once we access these are the this software, then we have to talk about hardware. What are the hardwares? There's lack of hardwares, I know. All the sensors are not available, all the development boards are high costly, but I'll tell you, for an engineering college, spending 10-15 lakhs or 20 lakhs rupees or 30 lakhs rupees is not a big cost. The kind of investment we will be doing, the return on investment is very high. So you have to invest 30 lakhs or 50 lakhs rupees to set up a center of excellence in your college, where you can have industry grade hardware, be it a processors, be it a GPUs, be it your sensors, be it the high-end motors and motor drivers, and that's all. Then you need to have skilled manpower who can give training, and where SAC robots can come on board and help you to set up a fantastic laboratory where we can actually create industry ready manpower. I'm talking about the robotic industry is growing. The robotic industry is here, it will grow here suddenly, but now the industry, once it will grow, there is a lot of lacuna. There is no such manpower. So these are the barriers which will be there for the growth. So academic institutions need to come together, start educating people in robotics, then the industry can go smoothly and seamlessly. At the meantime, we need to understand, can you create these sensors in India? Can you create these motors in India? Can you create batteries for robot in India? So there is a lot of entrepreneurship opportunity, not only employment opportunity. So students can pick up one particular area and start developing parts for robots. Then the entire ecosystem, the cameras for robots, entire ecosystem can develop. Let's come together, set up center of excellence in robotics in the colleges, and build the future, because future is robotics. So building future is building robotics. Let's build robots and build future. The future belongs to robotics, and SAC Robotics is here, and I am with you to support, guide, to build a professional center of excellence where we will not only learn but also will do research and development work to solve the real world problems. Thank you for watching.